Hey guys, so the video that you are about to watch is where I did Serenity's makeup. Serenity is my 9-year-old daughter, if you didn't know that already. But there's not a lot of talking. Serenity's kind of camera shy, and she was trying to break out of that a little bit in this video, and she really wanted to do the video. She's been wanting to do the video, but like I said, she's just a little bit camera shy. But yeah, the lighting in this video is completely weird, and I'm sorry for that. I'm trying my best to work on these issues with lighting, editing, and some of myself. So we will see what happens within the next couple of weeks. I have plans with some new equipment, and it just takes a little bit of time. Right now we are also in the process of finishing up like the renovation, I guess is what you would call it, of my beauty room. And once it's together, that is where I will move my filming and everything else into. And I am very excited for that. But in the meantime, please like and subscribe to this channel. Stay with me. I know the quality isn't the greatest right now, and I'm sorry. I promise I am working on it. It will get better if you just stay with me. And I have plans to do a giveaway once I reach 100 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Get me to 100 subscribers, and I'll do a giveaway. I promise. But yeah, like I said, in the meantime, just like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will be uploading every Thursday now, and I think that's it. Hey guys, so today I am here with Serenity because I am going to be doing her makeup. She has been wanting me to do a video with her since I did the video with Faith, and we had filmed one previously, but I couldn't really work with any of the stuff in it because someone was a little camera shy and it was really hard to edit. And then I also had some issues with my computer and the editing software and had to start fresh. So here we are. But I'm just going to be doing a simple kind of glam makeup look on Serenity today. And yeah. So are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right. Let's start off with priming the face. I will be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. Just a little bit. Wonder how long it'll take me to do her face, considering it's so much smaller than mine. I haven't ever really thought about what shade she'd be, but I imagine it's probably really similar to mine. So we are going to use the Revlon Candid Concealer, and this is in shade 250, which is Vanilla. Okay. Let's go in with called. So, Serenity, tell them about yourself.
I am 9. I like to draw. I like to make stuff.
Except bows. She doesn't like to make bows because it's too complicated.
My favorite color is purple and black and green.
Since when?
Now colors.
Oh, since Descendants.
Yeah.
Got it.
Please.
Sneeze. Did it go away? What grade are you in?
3rd.
And tell them about your boyfriend. Is he still your boyfriend?
Yeah.
What's your boyfriend's name?
Griffin.
Griffin. What did Griffin give you for Christmas?
A ring.
A ring. My 9-year-old daughter is out here getting rings from little boys. Turn your face this way. Who is your favorite person? Like, who would you love to meet if you got the chance? JoJo CY. Yeah, I asked Serenity if she would be comfortable talking on camera today, and she was like, yeah, I just gotta get my JoJo CY bow. And I was just like, oh my goodness. But then she ended up not even wearing it for this video because she didn't want to just grab a ponytail holder and pull her hair back. She grabbed a headband instead of her bow. But it's all okay. It's okay. It's all good. After we get done with this video, we are going to film. Her and her sister are going to do my makeup. And I am using the Revlon Candid Concealer on her. Your daddy's coming out with the middle.
Everything that's makeup is called
Not
except for
everything.
eyeshadow.
That's what you're excited for, isn't it? Serenity loves eyeshadows, and I already know what color she wants me to use. See, her favorite colors might be purple, black, and green, but she loves pink eyeshadow.
The skip.
Yeah, the shade Skip. She has been dying for me to use that on her forever. You ready for the best part? We're about to do your eyeshadow!
Yay!
And I use the pigment primer, which I said eyeshadow, we need to do your eyebrows first. Okay. Yeah, you can open them.
Sounds like my eyes are glued together.
Alright, I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. Brow Lift Pencil. The James Charles palette that Serenity is super excited for. And let's skip. So scared to do this. No, do not squint your eyes like that. Twinkety. What is your favorite thing about school? Like, what is your favorite class?
PE.
PE?
Bad PE today.
Is your favorite class PE because your PE teacher's boyfriend's dad?
It's not really my favorite because I like art too, just PE is my second favorite.
Because your boyfriend's dad is the coach. I can't believe you, Serenity. This is the shade Escape. Right before this, I used Single. Kind of forgot to mention that. I'm gonna do a little bit of a cut crease.
My eyes are close so long, I feel like they're glued together.
They're not glued together. One that you have been waiting for, or not favorite, but Artistry. Yeah. Open. Hold on.
It feels so weird seeing light again.
Yeah. And I'm just going to brush a little bit of Love That since we haven't used it. Look up. the Hard Candy Walk the Line eyeliner. I just think it's pretty easy for me to use, but I've been using it since I was like 15, 16 years old. Then I'm Artist Lash Paint Mascara. It's just a little sample size. Look up at the sky. Now we will do blush, which we are just doing a little e.l.f. blush that I've had forever, so long that you can't even see that it's an e.l.f. blush anymore. Yes. Okay. Do a little bit of a highlight. Just to highlight it. Now we are going to do a red lip. Wet and Wild and Missy and Fierce. And this is the look that I just did on Serenity. Let's zoom in. It, like, we're about to film my video. Or, well, I guess now we're about to film the video where they do my makeup. And whenever we get done filming that, I'm making her wash all of this off her face so that she doesn't look like she is like 20 years old. Alright, so that is all we have for you. Please like and subscribe. We will see you next week. Bye!